This is DJ DEERAID and TJ. The track is featuring Imuso King, and this one is called Let You Go. Taken off of a release called Christmas in July. Get comfortable, you're locked into In Dust We Trust with me, Das Capital. Still to come in this half hour, my top 3 records of the week. Are you ready for some of the dopest trap music to ever come out of this country? Some of the hardest bass music, some of the raddest house, a little bit of two-step garage. I got you covered. Get comfortable. My demo of the week here from DJ DEERAID and TJ featuring Imuso King. This is Let You Go on In Dust We Trust.
Number 3.
I hope that she makes you a better person, a better person. I pray that she makes you a better person. But I gotta let you go for the sake of my mind. I know I gotta let you go so I can sleep again at night. Cause boy, else I need you with those eyes anymore. I know I gotta let you go so I can find peace in my heart. I know I gotta let you go for the sake of my mind. I know I gotta let you go so I can sleep again at night. Cause boy, else I need you with those eyes anymore. I know I gotta let you go so I can find peace in my heart. Can find peace in my heart. I know I gotta let you go so I can find peace in my heart. So I can find peace in my heart. I know I gotta let you go so I can find peace in my heart.
It's time I let go of the past and start valuing myself. I gave you everything, my time, my love, my attention. It's time I look out for myself and the heart that God blessed me with.
But I gotta let you go for the sake of my mind. I know I gotta let you go so I can sleep again at night. Cause boy, I'm so need you with those eyes anymore. I know I gotta let you go so I can find peace in my heart. So I can find peace in my heart. I know I gotta let you go so I can sleep again at night. Cause boy, I'm so need you